All who come to this happy place, welcome.
They are the elite. Drivers confronting the most punishing conditions. They are the new breed of test driver, mercilessly putting cars through their paces. Who are these masters of the road? Test Track, new at EPCOT. See if you've got what it takes.
Until your test vehicle comes to...
Are securely fastened as they always should be in your vehicle.
Dispatch.
Okay, let's move them up to the test area.
Hill 2 is clear for hill climb.
Go.
The torque and transmission load data are looking good.
Great. Let's proceed to the rough road tests.
You got it.
Okay, I'm going to take you right up to the cones, hit the brakes, and see if I can steer you through.
Hold on. Braking! Now! Okay, we're back on track.
Let's do that other sequence. Okay, let's try it again, this time with the anti-lock brakes.
ABS reactivated.
That's the way it ought to be. You see how ABS lets you keep control of the vehicle while braking? Let's demonstrate some extreme test conditions.
Okay.
To turn off those robots?
Clear for track course A.
All right, let's pick up the pace.
Increasing speed, 10%.
Are you seeing an increase in lateral forces?
Sure am.
And that's what we call an evasive maneuver.
Ready for the variant test.
Check.
Accelerating.
10%.
Will do. Cameras on. Looks like all components are well within test parameters.
Well, all right. That completes our test schedule. Let's download the data.